Welcome aboard the stunning Disney Wonder. My name is Taylor and today we'll be exploring an accessible deluxe Oceanview stateroom with veranda and covering everything you need to know to prepare for your next cruise. With a father who's in a power chair, I love that Disney includes these accessible options for those who need them, allowing me to bring my parents along for all of our family cruises. But before booking, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for bonus onboard credit on top of what Disney already offers, in addition to exclusive rates, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you enter the stateroom, you'll immediately notice the wider automatic door. This allows for easy entry and exit for anyone utilizing a chair. The door control, thermostat, lighting control, and many other items are lowered for easy access throughout the stateroom as well. Next to the entry is the living room area, which includes a large sofa, Murphy-style bed that can convert to be a bunk bed with a large coffee table directly in front. Sleeping up to 4 passengers, you would have 2 on the queen bed, 1 on the couch bed, and 1 on the pull-down. Directly across, you'll find the primary storage for the room. One side features full-length hanging storage, while the opposite side features modified pull-down hanging storage, the room safe, additional shelving down below, as well as a shelf up top to store other items away. Set in the corner is an additional storage unit with drawers and shelves tucked down below. The bedroom area features a queen bed topped with a premium plush Eurotop mattress, which sits on an elevated platform with plenty of room to tuck your bags or large items away. The bed is flanked by 2 small side tables, reading lamps, and 2 US plugs. And on one side, there is also a built-in emergency call button. Across from the bed, there's ample storage and a desk area that doubles as a vanity, complete with a complimentary hairdryer, a backlit vanity, and several outlets including Euro, 3 US plugs, 2 combo plugs, and 2 USB. The desk area also includes tons of drawers and shelves to tuck any other items away. Set at the edge of the desk is a flat panel smart TV with a wide variety of free on-demand content including Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars movies, along with Disney Channel, Junior shows, ABC, and ESPN. They also provide ship-specific channels with daily schedules, port adventure previews, a bridge cam, and guest activity highlights. And as we head into the bathroom, you can see quite a few accessibility upgrades. Grab bars surround the toilet, and a zero-threshold shower features a built-in shower chair as well as a low amenity shelf and an adjustable shower wand. The sink area has a backlit mirror with an open vanity bottom and 2-prong shaver plug. It is important to note that there are 4 accessible staterooms in the aft of Deck 7. 2 are in the center, like this one, and 2 are more on the corner. And although both feature the same accessibility features, they have slightly different layouts. The corner version has a flipped layout where the desk and main bedroom space is set at the entry of the room, with the couch and the secondary sleeping area next to the sliding door that leads out to the veranda. The bathroom is slightly different with a more rectangular layout, still featuring the same zero-threshold shower and adjustable vanity with extra space underneath and grab bars throughout. Either option earns you one of the largest verandas on the whole entire ship, and these are truly special since they are aft facing, which is my favorite location on board any cruise. You'll find it furnished with 2 chairs, a small coffee table, and 2 loungers. Keep in mind you could have any of this furniture removed to make it easier for you to move around on the veranda. This is the perfect spot to enjoy stunning views and scenic cruising throughout the world, especially those summer itineraries to Alaska. As we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone on board the Disney Wonder. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising. If you love this tour, we have an absolute treasure trove of Disney Cruise Line videos, high-end resort tours, and incredible Disney vacation content right here on the channel for you to explore. Do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe so you never miss an adventure, and share this video with all your favorite Disney friends who are ready to set sail. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer. Adventure is calling. I'll see you at the next stop.